Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unveiling a machine that's been stirring whispers in the automotive world. The new 2026 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. But here's the twist. Cadillac's hiding a secret. A never-before-seen feature, buried deep beneath its sleek skin. And, trust me, you'll want to know what it is. So buckle up, stay with us till the end, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. The design is a modern tribute to the golden age of American luxury. That unmistakable low-slung profile returns, now sharpened with a more aerodynamic touch. The aggressive dual headlight setup, gleaming chrome grille, and those elongated tail fins scream classic Cadillac. While the vibrant yellow paint and ultra-polished 20-inch alloy wheels inject a custom modern vibe. This isn't just retro, it's refined rebellion. The contrast between the sharp body lines and the soft curves of the tail fins is design poetry on wheels. From the rear, the coupe continues to impress. The new vertical LED taillights are carved seamlessly into the fin-like extensions, a direct nod to the late 50s era, but done with a contemporary flourish. The quad exhaust tips sit confidently beneath a wide, clean rear fascia, while the Cadillac crest sits proudly at the center. The attention to symmetry and detail makes the back just as captivating as the front. This car looks like it's in motion even when parked. Under the hood, the 2026 Series 62 Coupe offers two thrilling engine options. A 6.2-liter V8 delivering 500 horsepower, and for the performance purists, a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V6 pushing out 550 horsepower with enhanced fuel efficiency. Both are paired with a newly engineered 10-speed automatic transmission for buttery-smooth shifting and precise power delivery. It's not just about speed, it's about how confidently this beast moves. One of the most exciting hidden features? Cadillac's new Shadow Drive system, a semi-autonomous tech that learns your driving patterns and subtly assists in cornering, braking, and even throttle control to make daily driving feel like a luxury experience. Inside, the coupe is lined with digital touch panels, ambient lighting modes, and a retro-futuristic cockpit layout that blends analog charm with high-tech comfort. The 2026 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe isn't just a car, it's a bold statement from Cadillac to the world. It respects its heritage while paving a new road ahead with tech, style, and sheer driving pleasure. And with secret features slowly being revealed, one thing's certain. This is the Cadillac comeback we didn't know we needed but now can't live without.